Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankush. I just want to share you one announcement with everyone that I'm going to start a new RAC DBA training batch which is going to be start from this Monday. In upcoming Monday, we are going to start this RAC DBA related training, which will be again real-time database training, because you might have already seen my LinkedIn connection, LinkedIn where the people are getting a lot of jobs opportunity, and this will be really interesting. So no worries about the training. The training will be absolutely fantastic and you will learn a lot. Okay, let's talk about the duration and everything. Like, what will be the duration? The duration for the course will be 30 days. It's a daily batch. So from Monday to Friday, we are going to take this batch for daily 1 hour. What will be the timing? The timing will be, it's 9 p.m. IST timing, so which is Indian timing. So it will be around 11:30 a.m. EST timing. So that's the timing which I am thinking to go for it. Okay, this batch is going to be start from this Monday. Okay, what's about the demo? Obviously you are looking for some demo, right? So I'm going to schedule a demo of this RAC DBA training. Okay, how can you join this demo? That will be a next question in your mind. Don't worry, I'm going to give one WhatsApp group link. You can just click on that, join that group, and I will share you the meeting link as well as about the other details if you are looking for anything. Okay, apart from this, if you are looking like, okay, what is the fee structure and any other things, you can reach out to me personally. My contact details are given over here. Okay, so that's all about the RAC database training, which will be based on the Oracle 19c. You will learn a lot, and trust me, this is going to be a fantastic career for you, and you can start your DBA career also. Without wasting the time, join my WhatsApp group related to the Oracle RAC DBA training. This is a paid training, guys. Okay, so if you are looking for free content, don't worry, the free content is always available over the YouTube channel. All right, so let's get connected to my demo, which is on Saturday 9 p.m. I'll share you the more details. Right now you can do one thing, just click on the WhatsApp group link, join there, and if you have any connection, if you have any related question, queries, you can reach out to me personally, guys. Thank you so much. Please do like, subscribe, and share this channel. Apart from this, you will get a lot of free content, free learning, which is also coming from last so many years over here.